not present here. Children, as you are aware that tomorrow there is second edition of Social Science Championship from 6th to 12th class. Are you all aware of it? And you are well prepared with it? You are well prepared with it, yes or no? Because you had the vacation in between and we had been reminding you to do your studies. Had been sending questions also. Okay, children. So, many times children come to me and they say that, ma'am, history is all about past. And as well as other subjects, they are very descriptive. And that is why many times we often dislike to study. But this is not the thing. Whenever you take history and you try to connect it with your present and then link it with the future, you will really enjoy it. But the thing is that you have to understand and write. If you go on mugging up, that will make your task very difficult. Okay, children. So from today onward, you will see that you will understand, and understanding can be done by reading. Okay, by trying to find out the difficult words. And one more thing I would like to tell you. Are you all aware of UPSC exams? Have you heard about it? Union Public Service Commission. These exams are held every year by the government. And through these exams, posts like IAS, IPS, IFS, IAAS, and all such 24 posts are created as per according to the ranking. And do you know, these people, moreover, they have the background of social science. Either they have done bachelor in economics or political science or environmental science or history or geography. So always think of great things and try to achieve great in life. Yesterday also the competition that was done, Bharat Ko Jano, moreover the questions were carried from the social science. So children, keep on learning. And can anybody tell me who is the Chief Justice of India? Yes, from the assembly will also do.
Dhananjay Yashwant Chandrachud.
Yes, very good. A huge round of applause for Akshay. And D.Y. Chandrachud, he also had the history of doing bachelor with honors in economics. So children, keep on learning. Devote your time for social science subjects also, because that will really help you in your future. Okay, thank you children. Have a blessed